Baba, I just want to show you something.
Something disgusting.
How can you refill it, yeah?
I like how you got triggered.
बाबा तू रिकॉर्ड दबा ना.
सबका दबा दिया है ब्रो.
इधर रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं आ रहा इसलिए पूछ रहा मैं.
तेरे को नहीं आ रहा, मेरे को आ रहा है.
गोवा में टाइम लगता है पहुंचने के लिए.
मेरे को बिलीव नहीं हो रहा. मेरा लास्ट नाइट ऑफ हॉलीडे गोवा में मैं 11:15 बजे बैठ के अपन पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं और माशाल्लाह इंटरनेट भी ठीक ठाक ही चल रहा है गोवा के लिए. ब्रो गोवा में इतना कनेक्टिविटी मिल गया, वही बड़ा बात है.
बोल मत. Why are we testing it?
Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set Show, a show where we take randomly shocking weird facts, stats, trivia and opposite stories and we talk about it. Fuck, last time से better था. मेरे को थोड़ा
हाँ, लेकिन तेरा वीडियो ऐसे हो रहा है तो it's okay. So it feels something is compensating for something, so it's okay.
मैं साइड सर्विस को भी गाली नहीं दे सकता. ठीक.
No, but guys, Varun is actually doing this on a holiday, so we should all be like grateful.
Yeah.
And he's on time, so like normally I'm not nice about people coming late, but Varun on a holiday is the worst person to disturb, and he has actually lived up to this, so I am extremely happy. Also,
I'm surprised Varun was the one organizing this.
He has, by the fuck y'all all, okay? It's fucking 11:45. I have to. This episode goes up live in less than 12 hours. Okay.
Baba, as a token of my appreciation, I will bring you Kaju Feni from Goa,
which I will not drink, so you will drink.
No.
काजू मत ला, मेरे लिए कांदा ला. बहुत महंगा पड़ रहा है यहाँ पे. Just buy some onions.
गोवा से कांदा लाऊं?
कांदा ला, हाँ. It's just very expensive.
तू एक काम कर, मेरे लिए काजू फेनी मत लेके आ. गोवा का यूनियन टेरिटरी रेट में पेट्रोल थोड़ा लेके हम लोग के लिए.
Varun, you know something?
78 rupees है. 78
78 छोड़, नहीं चाहिए.
Exactly.
Dude, तेरा internet इतना खराब है ना. Right now you look like a stop motion animation.
Yeah, so it's festive. No, so it's only great when Varun stays in this place and then talks, because then only his lips have to move. Like if the whole body has to move, then it's a problem.
It's a fucking big problem.
And that's a problem because I can't talk without moving my whole body.
Correct. This is true. Kautuk, tu kya pee raha hai with Jawar puffs?
नींबू पानी.
नींबू पानी.
औकात पे आ गया हूँ मैं. औकात पे.
So अच्छा, good catch up. अभी आज का टॉपिक तो बोलते हैं हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
जो इन लोग ने पढ़ लिया वैसे. But फिर भी हमको अनाउंस करना पड़ेगा.
एपिसोड में तो अनाउंस करेंगे. Today's topic is Tis Reacts. By the way, we are debuting something called Tis Reacts right now. And
it is also necessity is the mother of invention, guys. And there is
we are launching something called Tis Reacts, where, as the name suggests,
have a very
Tis Reacts.
And the thing about Tis Reacts is that
said Tis Reacts and Siri has started.
Wow.
Also, I just got to say that it is the first and last time we will do Tis Reacts, because the next time we will all have internet. And it won't be an episode of Tis Reacts.
We'll actually do something constructive.
So, another property that will just be in one episode.
We'll come back with part 2, guys. We're going to come back with part 2
maybe
in 2021.
No, it's going to be there. We'll Tis Reacts. Will react to a lot of other things. Anyway, so the first topic in Tis React that we wanted to do was...
It's not a topic, Varun. It's not a topic, Varun. How is it a topic?
We're going to react to the entire season of Mirzapur.
To Tis.
We're going to react
Which, by the way, I saw for the first time right now. It's quite good.
Oh. You saw Mirza right now?
अभी नहीं, मतलब ऐसे हॉलिडे पे रात को सोते सोते हम लोग मिर्जापुर
देखे. When you're in Goa.
And now I only talk like I'm from.
तूने देखा कैसे? How did you actually watch something online with this shit internet? Like, how is that?
अरे, the uploading speed is a problem, dude. The downloading speed is not always
बराबर flawlessly चल रहा था.
Yeah, the uploading speed is 1/8, no?
Let's get to the first episode, which is the 61st episode, but this is a side episode, and it's called Tis Reacts, and we're reacting to our subreddit, which lot of people have been contributing towards. And by the way, before we start, let me tell you that we all, the four of us sit and watch a lot of it together and laugh a lot.
Yeah.
बहुत
So,
funny.
thank you.
बहुत funny.
All you
एक
guys who've been,
दो चीज gems है, gems. Honestly,
Gems और bro,
unbelievable.
उन लोग का थोड़ा research कहाँ से जाते हैं to get the right picture. Like अपने जो 2,800 लोग थे उधर शायद, और जितने भी contributors, I think they are damn smart, because I love how they picked out like subtle nuances of the
Yeah.
podcast in different way, found the right picture to do it. Some of them are too funny, bro. और मेरे काफी embarrassing pictures भी have made their way to
नहीं,
this.
Dude,
एक मैंने बहुत
dude.
funny देखा आज. I saw one
Dude.
very funny one, which was
एक मिनट, Varun.
nobody says nothing. Varun, random incident funny, absorb. Random.
Varun, your pictures are nothing. You know which picture of mine has made it? You remember that sketch in the bathtub where I'm standing behind Adar naked?
हाँ.
That picture has made it to Reddit.
Oh shit! I had just recently deleted that image from my memory. Now it's back.
Yeah.
But how that
Now it's
picture is
back.
never going to leave the internet. We put it on a 50-foot screen at the YouTube,
The YouTube
Fan
Fan Fest, yeah.
Film Fest.
Yes, we did do that. But I'm not naked in that picture, guys. Adar is.
Oh, good.
Okay, so I'm going to
Okay,
start sharing
Mona,
the screen.
let's-
All right, guys, welcome. I also
Okay, for
like
all those
the
of
I
you who
also
are
like the
not on
description
Reddit,
about
please get
the.
on Reddit. One second, Baba. For all those of you who are not on Reddit, who are not understanding what is going on, please get on Reddit. It's amazing. It's an amazing place to sit and waste 10 hours of your day.
Yeah.
And now you realize
Reddit
that you
is a
wasted
free 10 hours
of your
site,
day.
and all they ask is for your time. That's all. They just, if you have any time, they'll take it away
Yeah.
from you.
Yeah.
All right. I just also want to say, guys, please read this. It says fans of this podcast by members of XNG stand-up comics with various guests. So perfect app description. Let us now start. Posted by Mendu Vada. Classic Salman.
Oh.
For some reason, a lot of these things have become like we only talk about Salman.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we
Oh.
do. I think Salman Khan is the shadow fifth member of this podcast.
No, but I think we should. Yeah, he is. Sorry, one second. तुम लोगों का सबका आवाज 10 मिनट लेट आया मेरे को. So I think. हाँ, अभी बराबर है. No, but I think we should talk about how Salman always makes his way into our podcast. Like what? How did this start? How did everything we speak about have a Salman connect to it? And I don't think we were doing it
On purpose.
intentionally.
Yeah.
Before we discuss that,
कर रहा था.
before we discuss that, I just want to say Mendu Vada, who has put this up, has taken a screenshot from Salman, but respect because he does not follow Salman.
Wow.
So so how did it start, guys? How did it, according to me, I think it was one of those things where it was go-to. And I think it also started with like, Bollywood Gandu, when we were doing like, what was that? Gandu Nights. When we were doing Gandu Nights and we just did a lot of like Salman jokes.
No, man. He's just a fucking enigma. That's the thing. And,
Yeah.
and you can make him fit anything, right? Any goddamn conversation. Salman
Yeah.
will always make it
Yeah.
better. There is nothing that he will make
Yeah.
worse.
Also, the internet is filled with shit about Salman. Like every time we were researching any topic, which is us doing a Google search and picking out the first 5 pages of this.
First 5 links are there. First 5 pages bhi nahi
Sometimes
hote.
page 2.
First 5 links, and Salman would invariably like show up in one of them. Some weird fact about Salman, it's just there for no reason in any listicle.
No,
anything, Salman just shows up.
I think अपना first actually Salman के साथ the first time we spoke a lot about him was when
Boss.
the three of us were doing the Big Boss episode.
Big
Oh,
boss.
And वो Big Boss episode में अपन उसके बारे में बात कर रहा था, and then he just the thing was that Salman reads off the prompter, and that also he apparently doesn't do it correctly, and he gets paid a lot of money. ऐसा कुछ तो that's how it started. वो बहुत funny था actually
Yeah.
वो episode उसमें सलमान के पास.
No,
Our
no,
extra camera was-
and I know exactly when it started. It was because we were talking about how many takes he takes,
Yeah.
right? So he's
Yeah,
like,
this was,
because-
we were
this
talking
was
about
no
that movie theater advertisement for
advertisement,
Being Human,
correct.
which was in a black background, and it was
And
just
then he also-
1700 cuts.
Correct. And he also repeated it with his own products ad, When
Yeah,
he had
yeah.
to do an ad for Being Human, he ended up doing cut in one
अरे
sentence.
अरे वो अपने वो पनवेल के फार्म हाउस में
फार्म
बैठ
हाउस
के
पे कर रहा था.
उसने हैंड सैनिटाइजर निकाला ना फ्रेश और
हाँ.
बोलता है उसका द होल एडवर्टाइजमेंट वाज दोस्तों ये फ्रेश इसका स्पेलिंग है FRSH
ऐसे
अरे इसका
Yeah.
क्यों है FRS है अभी
No, there was a reason. क्योंकि अगर तुम when you type what you take WHT तो ये FRS में से ही निकाल
और
दिया.
अगर तुम मेरा ट्वीट
No,
देखोगे तो
Salman, I think only you do.
वरुण तेरा वो जो
Fresh.
था ना
I feel fresh.
Oh,
that joke?
अरे the how Salman tweets
Yeah.
Yeah, he keeps his phone in his back pocket and sits down. उसका
Okay.
वो था one day he had tweeted a picture of a gutter और उसका tweet का उसके ऊपर लिखा है उसने this is Nali where there used to be pani.
Wow, this is
This
Baba
is from
Sehgal.
6 years ago. याद नहीं क्या? We had spoken about
Hey,
it.
Nalli nahi. This is Nali
This
where
is-
there used to be
this is-
Pani. Nali,
Ah.
Pani. That's what he's done. Yeah.
Yeah, and he had taken a picture of that gutter, bro. और वो डाल दिया.
ये देखो, this is us trying to decipher Salman tweets. This is.
I don't even know why.
What about
All right.
the-
Here it is. Intro
Yeah.
God.
Random and funny shock absorb.
Random
It's an-
is funny shock.
shock absorb is very funny
Random and funny.
oh wow Bave
Fuck.
Eesh.
Oh, fuck. Oh,
Hilarious. ये
Oh,
पहले वाला
but-
पिक्चर
but
मिला
बाबा,
किधर से
बाबा,
मेरे को भी मालूम नहीं है.
You look like
have to
somebody who's
address-
just come out of jail.
yeah
Baba, we
One
have
sec.
to address the elephant's tusk in the room.
Yes.
More
Sure.
likely in your mouth. ये क्या है?
Sorry. I have.
पार्ट टाइम
it-
अवार्ड पे क्या फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड के सामने जाके खड़ा रहता है ऐसे रेड कप में?
No,
But I think
it-
this
it-
happens to most advertising.
That was a bad
executives.
joke.
I think this happens to most advertising executives because they're licking their clients' asses.
Well done.
That.
But
That's
yeah, it's
actually a great tongue to brown nose.
so yeah, I can do it again. I can show you all how long it is. But I can touch my tongue to my nose, guys. Can you all touch your tongue to your nose?
Yeah, we've seen that multiple times. On
The
the
question
I
is,
never understood why
why?
that always became
Yeah.
a thing, right? People used to be like, yeah, can you touch your tongue to your nose? क्यों शेम्बुड़ खाने का है क्या है
No,
मतलब?
I can just I can.
But what is the utility
Ah.
of it?
Touch it to your chin. Touch it to your chin.
It doesn't go that, but it's long enough to reach. Like
ah.
ah yikes can you fucking stop the circus act
I'm just saying, guys. Sorry, I'm a
Jeez.
legend. But dude,
also
this
by the way
this
by the way-
exclamation mark.
Did you see Baba suck his own dick right now in that previous
the exclamation mark really works for the joke so well.
Yeah.
Like it's so perfectly done.
also
the
Baba
thing-
1 second before you scroll past this that picture above right the
I
first
don't know
picture.
where he's got it from.
Bro, it
Yeah.
has they've gotten it from Mirzapur where you were standing when this picture was taken.
It's a great
picture
picture.
was-
I don't even know where they've gotten it. I want to give him an
You know,
award,
this picture looks like
but I will approve.
this picture looks like in the police station now when you have that
Yeah,
board
it was a
behind it,
pickpocket.
जिसपे जेब कतरों का फोटो होता है.
Dude, this isn't even that.
Say Raju,
I-
क्या
Dude, this is Kasab.
He
it's
looks
that.
like a rejected henchman from a Ram Gopal Verma movie. That's what-
Dude, this is you know what? This is Baba's face when someone tells him, "Hey, good show."
Okay, I'm honest criticism. Should we read it, guys? Let's read
good,
it.
Yeah, come on.
I usually finish this podcast in one sitting, maximum twice. So there only he's contradicted himself. Okay. I couldn't finish Emotions in 5 sittings. The best part about this podcast is that they are insightful and funny. There was no funny this time, unfortunately. Also, facts sometimes give rise to something possibly funny. The lesser the facts, the lesser funnier it gets because we've heard almost all of their interesting life stories already. I suggest this boy should take a season break and come back when the couch is back. Just a dedicated diehard Tis Army member.
Okay.
saying the couch is not back. Like the couch is where we left it. Like it's not like we have to be back on the couch. Just explaining.
Good.
So what are we going to say to this gentleman who
One
bichara
second.
hasn't been upvoted even once, huh?
Firstly, I mean, props that this was an articulate criticism, because usually we just get, "Arey mother chod unfunny hut."
Yeah.
This is
This is nice.
just Twitter is just filled with "Hey chutya look." So
Yeah.
at least this was a coherent sentence. Is the other point. Okay, but I mean, and I'm speaking personally over here. I think the Emotions podcast was one of my favorite podcasts
Yes.
to do.
Yes.
After
yes.
Death, Emotions was one of the best podcasts. I had a lot of fun doing it. So I
Usually
mean,
emotions do follow death. So
No, I also think that if you look at it, like if you just, I mean, every podcast is not going to be comedy gold.
Yeah.
You know, some podcasts are just
Yeah,
going to
it's
be
not going
like,
to be 100%.
so. But
No,
yeah,
and-
I mean, we
and I'll
understand
tell
what
you
you're saying.
There are agree with the person, because we also read comments on YouTube, right? उसपे भी लिखता है कौन सा funny था, ये था, वो नहीं था, इसमें मजा नहीं आया, and वो होने वाला है, because अपन हर Tuesday कर रहे हैं for the last 61 weeks and a year and a half before that. So life में उतना ही personal stories है, उतना ही. Now facts was a different format we tried, but sometimes we don't go after the facts, because if there's enough need to talk about, just let them know facts ignore कर देते, तो उसमें शायद कभी-कभी funny नहीं होता. And I think we sense it too, right? If it's not as funny, but I think I've
100%.
made peace with the fact that it's not always going to be bang, 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 funny. You know,
but
so
also I think
sometimes
because of
not
the lockdown,
feeling
na,
funny. Yeah.
because of the
A topic
lockdown, we are
lends
not
itself to
getting
funny sometimes.
new stories.
Huh?
yeah, that's
Usually
also
what
true.
happens
Great
when
point.
we actually sit on the couch
Great
and
point.
we've come, like we've not met each other for like अभी तुम लोगों को पता होगा कि हम लोग जब actually record करते थे couch पे, हम लोग guys
महीने में एक बार.
हम लोग महीने में एक बार करते थे. So a lot of times, because we were traveling and stuff like that, all four of us would actually meet on that couch after a month. So it was like a massive catch-up session, because we were traveling, we were doing shitty shows, and all those things used to come out there.
And
Big
other,
question.
I also
other-
like how
happening
others said we were doing shitty shows. Like there was never a good show in the whole month.
Because अच्छे show you don't I will never discuss a good show with you guys. I'll not go to Kautuk and go like, hey Kautuk, उस दिन का show क्या अच्छा. I will go to Kautuk and say, Kautuk, इतना गंदा show किया था. Let me tell you how bad it was.
no,
That's
and
what I'm
not
gonna tell
just
Kautuk.
and not just shows. I feel like Adar is so right about this. कि because of you're in lockdown,
Yeah.
you're confined to, अरे तू बर्तन के बारे में कितना बात करेगा? You know what I mean? So you need
और
to.
अब
वरुण
बोले
के
थे,
घर
मेरा
पे
अभी तक एक जोक है.
और वरुण के घर पे पिजन भी नहीं आ रहा है.
Exactly. So
कितना बोले
नहीं
और?
आ रहा bro.
Pigeon भी
लेकिन है मेरे
lockdown.
पास 11 दिन के गोवा के स्टोरीज है, अगर तुमको सुनने हैं तो. जैसे कि गोवा को कोविड का मेमो मिला ही नहीं. ठीक है. जब भी बट रहे थे मेमो कोविड के तब सुसेघाट पब्लिक सो गई थी शायद, तो कोई गया ही नहीं. ब्रो वी लैंडेड एंड वॉक्ड हियर, सब खड़े हैं ऐसे, और एक मास्क नहीं है.
हाँ.
You know, they always just come. You'll see like a bunch of fanatics and dudes just sitting on it and chatting. एक आदमी ने मास्क नहीं पहना है. The restaurants are and all are being pretty careful. They are not letting people just randomly walk in without mask and all of that. So वो वाला अच्छा है.
नहीं, मैं
but yeah.
अभी I went the other day. I went to like drop off some clothes to a friend or something they had left, and I went to this guy's place in Bandra. So I happened to go through Carter Road, and कार्टर रोड पे फ्राइडे नाइट को लोग ऐसे निकल के शॉर्मा खा रहे हैं जैसे
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं. हाँ, like you know how to be safe in a pandemic. Go eat like meat that is just outside in the middle of the road, where everybody is standing without their masks, waiting, salivating, staring at the food.
अरे पानी पूरी वाला वापस आ गया डूड. एंड मेरे आंखों के सामने वो ऐसा रगड़ा ऐसे ये कर रहा था. He was
Correct,
turning
yeah.
it around. He takes it out, then he puts his finger on the spoon, picks out all the ragda, puts it back in.
Oh God!
Yeah,
And
yeah.
public, अरे दे दो 2-3 प्लेट.
Dude, तू क्या बोल रहा है ब्रो? आज मैं honestly speaking, आज मैं वापस आ रहा था वाटरफील्ड रोड से, क्योंकि मेरे को मैं ऐसा गया था, तो मैं वापस आ रहा था. I literally outside लीलावती हॉस्पिटल, outside लीलावती हॉस्पिटल, there is a rekdi, not a cart. There is one rekdi wala who is there, and he has gotten that one patila with pani puri in it. There are 3 doctors in PPE kits hanging out and eating the pani puri.
Wow, wow,
So,
wow, wow.
Man.
I am just saying.
The doctor's part really disappointed me. Other than that, I was
No.
like, it's
And
awesome.
honestly, you know what? I don't.
इससे बेचारे
I
डॉक्टर भी फ्राई हो गए होंगे अभी
Fry हो
But
गए।
one sec. You know what? One sec. It may not have been doctors. It could have been a patient who's like, from the OPD who has just come
then,
out.
yeah,
It
so
could
it's
have
just
been.
somebody who's been made.
One second.
This patient who's come out from the OPD is Damek Panipuri.
Yeah.
वहाँ पे
वो बोल रहा है कि
ऐसे
मैं
वहाँ पे
निकल
डॉक्टर
गया,
ऐसे कर रहा
कुछ
है,
पता
नर्स
नहीं।
स्कैल्पल ऐसे क्या, अरे कहाँ गया रमेश, अभी तो ऑपरेशन
ओटी नहीं, ओपीडी, ओटी नहीं, ओपीडी। क्या आदमी है?
सर उसका हार्ट नहीं डाला अभी तो, वो बाहर पानी पूरी खा रहा है।
But anyway, so I'm saying like
Hey, but
literally
listen,
outside a hospital.
Baba, one thing I have to say, okay, but if you have to have that kind of pani puri, you better have it outside a hospital.
So you
Yeah.
can
Just straight inside, like emergency है. मेरा गांड रुक रहा नहीं है.
ये अच्छा ना, भेलपुरी वाले को पूछेंगे वैसे, सर ये बिस्लरी का पानी है क्या पानी पूरी में? हॉस्पिटल है तो वरी मत करो।
Guys, we should not do podcast this late because it's a problem.
I still feel पानी पूरी खा के अंदर भागे, फिर realize हो ओ fuck मैंने सूखा पूरी तो लिया ही नहीं, फिर वापस अरे पेशेंट किधर है, वो सूखा पूरी लेने गया। अच्छा अब रुक जा।
Okay, let's move. On this Chonal is back, guys.
Chonal
Chonal क्या है?
अरे तेरा ही तो है
Chonal, तू ही
invention.
तो बोला था Chonal
Chonal.
last episode.
चाउनल।
How can you?
अरे
Forget it. The worst thing to do is to try to chase nostalgia. Kautuk se co-creator of So Siddhi and
Funniest part of this, okay, first.
Kautuk doesn't have once upon a time. Kautuk goes, so Siddhi and I.
No, yeah,
the funniest part is this also is co-creator. It's not.
Yeah, because obviously Siddhi is co-creator, no other. So one
But
is
that emotion on the photo, dude, it looks like
Yeah.
a back cover of a novel.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
just the perfect.
Yeah, it
back cover.
does. It does until you look at the earphones coming out.
no, but also like this So Siddhi and I na, like the TIS people started pointing it out, saying कि ये बहुत ज्यादा बोलता है तू So Siddhi and I, and then I realized fuck, that is so true, dude. मेरे stand-up special में भी So Siddhi and I, So Siddhi and I,
Correct,
I
correct.
did this, then Siddhi did this, and
I-
we both did this.
But as always, you guys are missing out the best part about the meme. The creator of the meme is Dildar Begum.
Made with mimetic.
अरे दिलदार
Begum,
बेगम.
which is also Kautuk's cat's name. So
Correct.
Kautuk's cat.
Hey,
is
can I just give
making
you an
memes.
update?
Cat has been making this.
One second. I just want to show you this.
1 second. For that, I should stop sharing screen so they can see it fully. Yes, here it is.
Now you see that thing behind me, right?
Yes.
That upturned thing.
That is
That
the
is-
bed.
That is a bed we got for Begum. She doesn't sleep inside it.
Hmm.
She wants the bed on top of her.
Oh, so she's under it.
So
now.
she's
And
under
what,
it
he
right now.
told you that?
नहीं तो उसको
जाके
बिठाते
देख,
भाग
बेचारी
जाती है.
suffocate हो रही होगी।
नहीं वो बैठती है उसमें 2-3 घंटा ऐसे like अंधेरे में, like it's a fucking hat that she sits under.
Wow.
Yeah. So $700 dude to get her a hat.
Yeah, dude.
Fair enough.
Cats
good
don't
trade.
give a fuck. All right,
I
let's
like
move.
like it's made with Beammatic. अरे वाह.
Wow. Wow. Hilarious.
डोला रे, डोला। Wow, bro, कैसे imagine कर रहे हो?
कहाँ से कहाँ क्या
Bro.
connection?
This is that. Plus,
Fuck,
this
I
is
was thinking bicep
it's
thing.
also Dola as in Dola like muscles.
Dollar.
Oh,
Great.
Oh, great.
that's where
No,
they
I'm
came
a-
up with the dance step, or what?
I'm just
Like,
assuming it
It's
is.
Aishwarya
This
Rai
is also
and Madhuri
this is
Dixit.
also Dildar Begum, guys.
मैं दिलदार बेगम को ईयरली सब्सक्रिप्शन देना चाहूंगा मीमेटिक का, ताकि ये मीमेटिक का वाटरमार्क हट जाए, बिकॉज़ काफी फनी
बाप
Bro, मेरे को समझ नहीं आता है, मैंने इतने सारे क्रिएटर्स को देखा है, like I know comedians who are probably earning a lot more than me have like नीचे वो इन शॉट का उन लोगों का वाटरमार्क होता है, तो तू 100 रुपया नहीं दे पाया अपना वाटरमार्क हटाने के लिए, you are clearly
Hilarious.
making more money than I am.
I
Just
don't
दे
know
से
if they
100
have.
रुपया.
I didn't get this meme. What is the meme here?
प्रियंका चोपड़ा.
Oh, that's Priyanka Chopra. Oh.
Yeah,
it is.
Oh.
Oh God,
Oh God.
Good.
Okay.
this is very funny.
जावा कैसा तेरा सर कैसे करता है?
This has become this has become a meme, like a meme format now. This is the
No, this is Hardik only. It's the same guy. So,
Acha.
okay,
Hardik-
Adar, what is
Hardik
this
is-
behavior? You
Huh.
cannot be a thirst trap on the podcast. Oh,
We
Oh.
can.
Oh, thirst
Ye last
trap.
podcast.
Goku's
Oh,
biceps
thirst
are
trap.
possible in real life.
oh,
Such a complimentary meme this is, dude.
Yeah.
correct. And it is
What?
Dildar Begum, guys.
तेरी बिल्ली को मैं अच्छा लगता हूँ.
Didn't know Anguli Mal was a movie also.
It is?
Yeah.
That's insane. Anguli Mal, for all those of you who don't know who didn't go to SSC,
Okay.
it was a very scary chapter.
Okay, this meme, I think
Written
there
by
is some
two
truth to
players.
it.
Yeah. This
Yeah.
this
We
hit
discussed
Kautuk
this.
in the right
We
place.
discussed this on our group also. So we have taken your advice, and also he's a scientist, and he's a weed scientist. So
Good.
we should take him seriously.
Thank God it's not a weight scientist.
By the way, Baba, the minute you said that, our viewership went up by 4 people, all of them working for NCB. So
Yeah.
Varun is the most adorable when he's fumbling upset with the lack of internet and he observes the dearth of Cripsy noodles.
we know it.
What if you wanted to go to heaven, but God said, subscribe to Varun Thakur's channel for random interesting shocks.
Chawal.
मैं भूल
Also,
गया मैंने
it-
channel बोला.
Also, it is made with Vmatic because it is Dildar Begum, guys.
Of course.
Dildar Begum has said, I want biryani. See, guys, this is what you do. This is a meme. We have to hear this. So I don't know what part of this it is.
Life, what amazing life advice. Volume 5046. Arre. Okay. I can't hear it. So,
Oh, you guys can't
Yeah,
hear it?
neither can
No.
I.
No,
fuck
neither
it.
can.
Chal,
Okay,
next.
one
तेरे
second.
headphones में जा रहा है ना बाबा. You've got
But
headphones
we should
on.
talk about that. Kautuk, I've been
No,
reading a
one
lot of
second.
comments.
Yeah.
on
For
videos saying the
700.
Here you
same
go.
thing.
Then,
You'll
for
be able to
example,
hear it.
If you're starting out in comedy, right? You've never performed for anybody, then even one person is a scary audience. Eventually, you start performing for 10 people, right? After that, 50 is a scary audience. The minute you perform for 700, then performing in a room full of 20 people or 50 people is not a problem at all. So
Yeah.
you keep needing higher and higher doses to get you afraid. So, which is why possibly Mountain Dew is correct. डर के आगे जीत है.
Oh,
Okay,
that was
guys.
a big setup for
No,
that
no,
joke.
Yeah.
No,
very big setup.
guys. I
And,
swear
and
to God.
no money from Mountain Dew.
Again,
Yeah.
guys, it is Dildar Begum. It is greatly done and all of that. But you have to. I was noticing this, and when you guys watch the episode, please just watch this time code. I'll tell you where it is approximately. It's around the 28th minute mark. Please watch this because Adar's expression in the podcast and Adar's expression on this Zoom call are
the same.
identical.
Wow.
He has made the same nodding along expression. He has said yes as though Kautuk is really talking to him right then. And he has laughed at the same point in both the podcast and the thing. It is insane.
Told you we were unscripted, okay?
So guys,
Also, I don't remember shit of what Kautuk says. I think that is what my takeaway is from this. All of Kautuk's advice is going to waste.
okay guys, enough, okay?
Yeah,
this- oh my god,
Okay,
me on
shall we
Tuesday.
skip
लिटरली तू वायर को
any
खींचेगा ना
other-
कोई इससे तो कैसे कचिंग होता है ब्रो वैसे हो रहा था मेरे साथ लाइक इट वाज
Kitching, kitching, kitching.
लिटरली तू
this?
वायर को खींचेगा ना कोई इससे तो कैसे कचिंग होता है ब्रो वैसे हो रहा था मेरे साथ
Hey,
लाइक
Baba, just
Again, guys, look at Adar's meme face. I'm telling you. Now, but he was not going to do it the third time. But
Baba,
I'm getting-
share screen hata. I just want to talk about one thing. Okay, just remove share screen. So, okay, so I'm sure every one of us over here has had this experience where people will come up to us, on the street when that was possible, and they will say, "Hey, remember that thing you said on the podcast?" And I can tell you and assure you that we don't, because for some reason, dude, we forget instantly the
Yeah,
stuff we talk about.
immediately.
It's
Yeah.
so weird, dude.
which is why it is so
fucking
difficult
weird.
to do a part 2, guys. Everybody
Yeah.
keeps saying, why can't we? I'll tell you what, okay? We'll give you one choto exercise. The part 2 that you guys want on Discord, discuss it.
Yeah.
and just compile the stuff that we've spoken about. So if you, for example, if you want us to
सबसे
do
काम
movies,
करा रहे हैं वहाँ बैठ के.
no, but I'm telling you guys, genuinely, it's the
तो काम
only way
करो
we'll
तुम
be able to
लोग.
do
Our
it.
lack of intern is now fulfilled by Discord.
Yeah.
Okay, don't do it, guys. Don't do it. Don't do it. Fine.
No.
We
Okay,
won't
guys. If you have seen a particular episode, like directors, I think this was an episode that we struggled with a follow up for. Just write the directors that you want us to talk about. I think
that's
that's
also
a
good.
better way than saying, "Hey, हम लोग ने क्या किया?" Don't give us the minutes
No,
of the
because
podcast.
Other, the
Tell
problem
us
is,
what you are more like.
अरे फिर तेरे को मिलेगा एक लिस्ट जो 40 पेज लंबा है. वहाँ पे सब लोग
And you
बोलेगा
pick
we'll get to
all,
podcast
all of
39.
us and all four of us like pick 4 or 5 again or 3 or 4 again of our favorite ones out of that list and we'll see किसका क्या clash
फिर
होता है and we'll have a good episode.
David
फिर
Dhawan.
फिर
David
podcast guys, we have to do
चल,
part
चल,
10
आगे
of this.
बढ़ते हैं.
हाँ.
जा रहा हूँ
आगे बढ़ते
guys.
हैं. पहले ये
Calm
एपिसोड
down.
तो खत्म करते, पार्ट 2 करने के पहले.
ये okay.
What does that mean? I don't
72
understand.
episodes.
Am I old?
72
Emotions, mental health, and Neville. Neville has been very forthcoming
Should I
about his
open this
mental
or?
health.
Okay, guys.
Sentimental.
Yes. Okay. Senti, not good with compliments. So thank you, whoever said that. Thank you, Curly Curry.
Hey,
Thank
okay.
you, Curly Curry.
Let's answer this one. This is nice. I just want to know when the couch podcasts are coming back.
When COVID goes away.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the.
so I
That's
think
the answer.
everybody's been seeing us being on set again. Varun is shooting. I ended up shooting some stuff. So yeah, it's not unreasonable to assume that maybe we can start shooting. But I think we have collectively taken the decision कि नहीं, फिलहाल नहीं,
Not right away.
because
Yeah.
there are bigger productions. When we are shooting, there is so much more precaution that is taken in place. There are people who are dedicated to just
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
safe on set. Which 4 of us.
Every
and our
person
tiny
coming on the
production
set
can't
has a
achieve.
negative COVID report. You know
Yeah,
what I mean? Like,
yeah.
They're
And
और
not
वो
gonna
स्टूडियो
start
में
doing that
वो
at
स्टूडियो
every
में तो
studio.
सोफा का वैक्यूम भी नहीं हुआ है सालों में तो
yeah, I think there was an episode
हाँ.
where Varun ने
और वो
जोर
एक जो टूटी हुई चेयर
चूल्हों
थी
पे
शायद
मारा था
बनी
और
नहीं.
धुआं उड़ा था.
या
I think there was one
Yeah.
episode where Varun ने जोर से मारा था और ऐसा
नेविल ने
उड़
मारा था नेविल ने मारा था
Sounds like something I would do. All right.
वाह
hilarious
वाह.
it's so funny this I remember from the podcast
But no, it's not just that. It triggers your memory. Also, like I mean, honestly, how have you even? This is what Varun was talking about at the top, right? Like the nuance
Yeah.
of an episode and then sort of picking it up.
oh वो intro is too
क्या
loud
था?
huh everyone is
Yeah,
right.
it is
Yeah.
great. No. This is somebody else's
Someone's
thing.
made this no
What
that
is-
is
Someone's
fucking
made
beautiful
this. So Ritesh has made this. I think Ritesh has made it. I think we were tagged on Instagram and we did
That's
share it.
Yeah,
but,
we all did share it. Yeah.
but it's great.
Thank you, Ritesh. That was damn cool.
If it is you, Ritesh, great. And also like the thing that he's gotten the thing right and
very nice
listed in a
Actually.
hilarious
It's funnier because of
Because
this
it's
Ajay
true.
Devgan picture. bro.
Yes,
This picture is too
because
good. It
you know what?
conveys the
You guys
emotion so
remember
well.
the scene? Do you guys remember the scene from the movie where Tabbu
Oh.
comes and gives him chai and he's just looking at her like this? This is supposed to be Ajay Devgan.
हाँ,
in
ये
love.
विजय पथ का है ना?
It's him in love. This is a very romantic scene. This is supposed to be a very romantic scene. It's the meet cute. It's literally the meet cute between the lead actor.
you know with Ajay Devgan there's no difference between love and आँख दिखाता है mother chot
flamingos are basically stalks who played
Stalks who
holy.
played-
Fashion.
Fashion inspiration.
Dildar Begum, guys. Dildar Begum.
Bro, ये शर्ट पहना ना मैंने.
Hmm.
मैं ये शर्ट पहना था ना, which was from that Comedy Central 40
Yeah,
40
yeah,
scene
yeah.
sketch I done, okay? कोई- और YouTube comments में चल रहा है, Varun has taken the shirt from Jethalal.
Varun pointed out something interesting in the podcast. My friends and I are arriving at class after playing Holi.
True.
Kafi funny.
Actually, खाली कान होते थे. कान लाल होके आता था. That's the one place you would ignore at the end.
Hilarious. This is also great. Otherisms. Other in every podcast. Why should I be normal when I can be amazing?
Amazing. Ah.
That is great.
This will be amazing if this happens. Oh, by the way, there's a new comic out of the Ninja Turtles that I've read today, apparently, where there is a turtle, and today I'm giving a spoiler. It came out that there was a major this apocalyptic world where 3 of the 4 turtles died, and there's only one left with a black mask, and he still tries to like fight people and shit like
Wait,
that. So
where-
that's a very
where-
dark
Black
how-
mask कौन पहनता है?
Nay, so the storyline is it's a very dystopian storyline of the Ninja Turtles where 3 of them have died and only one of them is left and he
Where are
wears a
you
black
reading the
mask.
comic?
I just read it on some because I follow these groups. I just got a pop up on the news feed. I'm going to now research more about it because I barely got it today morning. So we
क्या show था लेकिन ये?
huh?
Great show, yeah.
क्या
Yeah.
मस्त show था bro.
It was a great show and like the new stuff there.
Thank you guys. इतना प्यार.
Their environment telling us it's a danger. Human beings waiting for a messiah and seeing no obvious change around them. Great. There was also some meme where okay, wait, we'll come to it. Hmm.
Who disliked this? Oh, someone has disliked it. Okay.
So these are serious memes about the climate change podcast.
Yeah.
Wow.
There is really not. Mm.
Great.
This is when I spoke about the sushi going to Chennai and then Japan.
ऐसे bro.
Uh,
Yeah, this is a great
This is
story. UP family cooks ganja sabzi and eats it thinking it's methi, all hospitalized.
that's how you do it.
That is,
This is
That's the
Like-
wrong way.
This is when Chachi cooks methi.
yeah.
It's my AC speaking. That's hilarious.
no, it's your AC
Dude,
thinking,
René Adventure.
which is
Thinking,
funnier.
thinking, yeah.
Which is
Dude, René
funnier.
Adventure.
Mosquito. This is bonfire and mosquito repellent.
Okay, what other podcast is good? Okay, let's answer this ourselves.
Do you listen
What
to
other podcast do you
podcasts?
guys listen to? That is, forget similar, but just in general, do you have any podcast recommendations?
I like
Please don't say Joe Rogan.
I like the Good For You podcast with Whitney Cummings. Good For You. It's called Good For You. Really fun podcast because it's just her just being Whitney Cummings and like this because she's a little this about new tech and like so she's got a friend who's like more tech savvy than she is and it's just like her struggling to like come to like catching up with technology and stuff like that. Her figuring out how to use her Instagram and the person who's with her, he's also another comedian. And it's just a really feel good podcast after a while because it's just such a random stuff. It's just very random discussions that they have.
There
So
is,
I actually
Huh.
the one I only listen to or I have followed regularly because जो लोग को मालूम भी नहीं क्या है पॉडकास्ट उन लोग भी जो रोगन पॉडकास्ट देखता है. I think everybody
हाँ.
knows Joe Rogan. So Bill Burr's Monday Morning Podcast. So
Oh,
I
God.
really like
That's
that
also epic.
because it's just he's one of my favorite comics, one of my favorite people, and I just love listening to
Did
him
you
talk.
guys
Also got
watch
match
his
बैठ के
monologue on
attach करते एक
SNL?
दूसरे के लिए याद है कि
Yes.
नहीं कौन सा?
Yeah.
Did you
We
guys watch
went to
his
Sheetal
monologue on
Bukhara,
SNL?
dude.
Yeah.
yeah.
We took
all-
Bill Burr.
We
That
took
would
Bill
be-
Burr
We took
to
Bill
Sheetal
Burr to
Bukhara, dude.
Sheetal Bukhara,
Hounded.
which is
And
the
hounded
worst.
him.
And we put him in a
No, he
corner
loved
table.
it.
No,
He
we
loved
put
it.
him in a corner along with his wife in one corner, and there were 85 comics just surrounding him in that one corner in the basement,
He
just
asked for it. He asked for it.
completely going berserk. I listen to Philosophize This. I listen to Dan Carlin. I listen to
हाँ, Dan Carlin का भी.
Dan Carlin,
History, ना?
History High-Ras.
Then there's True Crime, a couple of podcasts that Kautuk introduced me to.
Oh man, I want to
Uh,
talk about that.
Yeah.
And then there's another podcast where there are these comedians who cook. It's an Australian comedian duo that does stuff. So there are a lot of podcasts out there. Also, if you haven't listened to KV and Biswa do the history podcast with, I think it's pretty nice. You should listen to Kumar Varun and Biswa do that. Even Kanan's podcast is funny because it's just really so like arbit. It's so like left field. It's random as fuck. You should listen to that as well. So yeah,
Dude, also if you're into horror podcasts, man, there is this podcast called
not
there's
into
one,
it.
There's one called Let's Not Meet, okay, which basically takes the best stories from the subreddit Let's Not Meet, and the guy narrates it, and some of them are fucking creepy. There's one called Knife Point Horror, which is amazing. There's one sort of like history fact checking podcast called You're Wrong About, which is also a wonderful, like it's just myth busting and that kind of thing. So yeah, those are some of the things I'm listening to right
Good.
now.
Like even when Serial came out, I remember that used to be
Serial
the
was
first
on.
one.
Serial
Like,
was that first
was a
season of
crazy
Serial was
breakthrough.
mad.
mad.
The
I
first season
actually
was
liked
epic.
season 2 also. It's
Yeah,
about
yeah.
the
No,
soldier in
but
the-
season one
in
was great.
Afghanistan wala.
Yeah, season one was great because of the whole like and the mentorship that Sarah Koenig got with like Ira Glass, because Ira Glass is genuinely like a legend, right? So yeah, it's great. All right, I'm moving back onto the meme.
Also, Yuval Noah Harari has like you can follow him on Instagram. So his
Yeah, legend.
podcast appearances, he puts up the whole thing on Instagram. So if you follow him, you can actually have a 40-minute podcast with him. And it's
Kaisa
actually
boomer hai wo.
very
Wait,
interesting.
with him meaning?
Matlab he's like he doesn't have a
He's the
regular
guest.
podcast.
You
but
can't
he's the
have it.
guest.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
Yeah.
You can
But
just
it's-
get
So speaking of Serial, let's not go like in order anymore. Let's do shuffle mode. So Baba just like guma bada, like do like a big swipe up.
ये भी funny है.
ए बाबा, एक second. ये बात
looking
करना चाहिए.
down is a meme.
Yeah, dude.
100%.
Yeah,
Baba,
Arey,
what
no,
the
bro.
fuck is that?
We have to actually tell him at the beginning of every podcast that बाबा please हम लोग बात करते हो नीचे मत देख. नहीं, मैं edit points लिख रहा हूँ. जबकि no cut episode था, उसमें भी बाबा ये करके
एक
किससे बात
मिनट,
करता
तुम गांडुओं को नो कट एपिसोड का मतलब ही मालूम नहीं है, समझा ना? So don't say no cut episode था.
है? ये दिखाता है.
अरे but one cut is as good as no cut.
Rothschild confirm.
नहीं, नीचे तो था, नीचे तो
हाँ
था.
हाँ हाँ, ये
हाँ.
देखा है मैंने.
6.666.
96, 6.6, 66.
करो पॉडकास्ट, रहने दो. क्या? Accurate.
Also true.
Accurate.
Also true.
Accurate.
Also true. Guys, sorry, we're not stopping. We're just going to try to go through as many as we can. Okay. काफी
Baba is
funny.
such a fajal when it comes to this, dude. हाँ, Quentin
I thought that
Tarantino.
This is too good, bro.
Yeah, this
It's
is
scary
bad.
how much this girl looks like Tarantino, dude.
Yeah.
It's too good.
Wow.
Dude, how many times do you have to be told that you look like Tarantino before you do this?
Okay. Sorry, guys.
Like a
I'm
bunch
just
of
gonna open this on another link so that I can read it later.
Next.
Uh,
Oh, this is so funny. I loved this meme.
I laughed a
love this
lot. I laughed a lot at this.
I loved this meme. And he destroys it. Just destroys everything.
Yeah, you remember that one episode where in the outtake we have Adar saying, guys, I have a fact right at the end of the episode, and it's fully irrelevant.
Yeah.
And we're like, "Arey,
Oh God.
oh, okay,
But how
sorry.
many times does it have to happen in the podcast for it to become a thing?
Yeah.
Like, इतने बार किया है.
This was also this is such a weird update to a thing we said on the podcast. We were talking about how Aditya Narayan was on the plane and I at
Yeah.
Indigo making a fuss, and then this is what the reason was. Apparently he lost all his money. Fuck. That's crazy.
Yeah.
In
So he
what?
can't pay for excess baggage.
Yeah.
Arey, but I'm not understanding. His dad is still Udit Narayan.
Yeah, but बाप नहीं दे रहेगा ना पैसा.
Nobody. Varun, paise.
पैसे. 1987. Or is it?
Oh.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah. I was 7 years old.
I was
मेरा birthday
I was not born. Yeah.
Here's a shitty edit I made.
Guys, not going through edits and all. Let's go. कौतुक सबको bully करता है ना.
क्या?
चल उसको मेले में छोड़ के चले जाते हैं.
छोड़ के
Dude, there was
चले
that.
जाते हैं।
You remember there was that phase where everybody thought you were bullying me and being mean to me.
That's such a other on Instagram. I'm a fight, guys.
Oh God.
An interesting title. AIDS Pulao. Oh God.
What is this?
ये समझ सकता हूँ.
Is this Saqib?
Yeah, that's
The nice
Saqib.
thing about stand-up comics is that these are their personal stories, and like
Oh.
Lol.
Oh, unexpected crossover. Oh yeah, I did a video.
तुमने
with,
कभी किया?
2-3 weeks back. So he was doing a thing on Big Bang Theory, and I went on as a person who's written sitcoms.
Wow, this is Neville is. I can see Neville like saving these articles to.
Yeah, of
This
course.
was also such a great thingy. My internet froze, and the boys are judging me hard. That's so good. Neville is kind of happy though.
Yeah.
Baba thinks his pen. Baba, why the fuck do you do that with your pen
Yeah.
and the thingy?
देख
Even
ना,
I
he
want to
still
ask
made
you.
it. There is a one.
What, this?
Totally.
Yeah, this.
This. I don't know. I just like the fact that I don't know. I like the ringlet and I don't know. It's a weird thing. It's like it's better than smelling the marker, no?
It's apparently a lot of sexual frustration. It's a lot of pent up sexual frustration when you want to
Oh
insert
ho ho.
objects
Oh ho ho.
within.
Oh ho ho. Guys, just want to say, guys, sorry. Don't make me blush.
But
guys.
by the way, I've also been reading a lot of Baba so hot, Baba so cute.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
These
God,
are all.
and Baba.
This is all.
Guys,
sun-
I will be honest. We've heard a lot of compliments about Baba, like क्या चूतिया है, फकौल है. But we've never heard Baba get compliments like this. Baba, तो
Varun.
क्या लग रहा है तेरे sudden increase in sex appeal के बारे में?
Varun, I have a theory on this. And my theory is that this Baba's
It's
hot has
Baba.
happened. No, Baba's hot has happened ever since we moved away from the couch because you can't see Baba from the neck down.
Yeah.
That's the fucking thing. I'm telling you, dude. The minute you see all of Baba, you're like, oh.
Acha.
The difference
Because
is
it's
you all
not,
are
it's
not
not
the
even
ones.
that he's out of shape. It's not that he's not that out of shape. He sits in a bad posture on the couch. That you have to. That's what really is the turn off.
No, it's just generally like that face doesn't add up with the rest of him. Like, you know, he's
Yeah.
got this weird thing where idhar se nahi ठीक दिखता है.
अभी देख,
बाकी
अभी मैं तेरे को बोलूं क्या comments आएगा? अभी बाबा blush कर रहा है ना? वो आएगा.
हाँ.
कि oh my God, बाबा blush कर दे. Oh,
Oye, oye.
ये देख छोटा कर दिया screen.
Varun, after finding out about astronaut.
Yeah. अभी भी चलेगा.
Wow, we
Oh.
Adar.
That coin was.
इसका address भी डाल देते.
I'm already pissed off with the government and I'm here to
अरे ये
protest against
अरे
CA.
pause कर ये हाँ ये मेरे Instagram पे देख ले please.
Discord today.
This
क्यों
was the
क्या हुआ?
episode we
अच्छा,
did.
वो
Oh, this was the episode we didn't drop.
Didn't do.
Hey,
Sorry,
to the
guys.
cutest vain and goofy member of TIS. Happy birthday, sending love and hugs. 20 days ago, so that was Adar.
Oh.
Aww.
Since there's no TIS
Aw.
episode today, unpopular Guju opinions. Presented
हाँ,
without
काल
comment.
को-
Yeah. So apologies, guys. Apologies.
Varun narrating a personal story. Adar reading out random things without fact check.
ये पिक्चर कहाँ से मिलता है यार इन लोग को? क्या
But
लेजेंड
these
लोग
are
हैं
these
यार.
are meme formats, dude. This
Yeah,
is
this
like a
is-
legit meme format.
Memetics. Tuesday को आना.
हाँ ये है.
नहा धो के आना.
देखो मस्तन हाथ धो के
हाथ धो के आना.
आ जाना. Tuesday को आना.
Oh yeah, play this.
Like people think
Yeah,
like
yeah.
most of the stories we say on the
Sometimes we make up
podcast are
those,
true.
And I like the caption also. Hey Adar, I can hear Baba saying it.
I can, yeah. I love the dominant, but it's just Neville likes to put full stops on things. I like things to. I like
Be-
chaos.
Yeah, exactly. Adar.
I love this one also.
Oh God.
But I like वो सामने वाले जो
ये नॉन वेज खाना हमारी सभ्यता के खिलाफ है। हमारा देश एक अखंड पनीर देश है कि नहीं?
Today's topic, since we are all in
Wow.
four triangles. Sorry, ये क्या है? Rectangles. Though it's so confusing to see all four of us laugh there, and then in the Zoom thing laugh
This is
there.
such a bad. This is such a bad.
Wow, we
Oh God.
Oh God.
they're going vegan. Health.
This is Salman
Dude, I
Khan
love this format.
being my doctor.
Whatever this one is, I love this format with the incorrect spelling. It's too
Yeah.
This podcast ending on a good note. Hey, we should make this a thing. Huh? Adar, you should have one fact at the end of every podcast.
Why do you think I did it? After the first time or second time or something, that was like, okay, now I have to. Now I start finding facts which are going to purposely derail the conversation.
अच्छा. Okay.
निकाल के रखा है. ये इतना कचरा है.
I mean,
Guys, I just want to say,
Anand,
please see this. This has said found Kautuk, and it takes you to this Instagram and where the guy is making hot water.
this guy just boiling water.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's Kautuk.
Podcast topic, fact, trivia, personal story.
सीधा बस इसमें.
No one, literally no one.
That's quite a good picture to
Guys,
use. Also.
mile high, budget low. Guys, come on. Kafi funny.
Baba making out with whatever stationery. Okay.
Sorry, guys, just opening.
Is it raining outside? Does it ever rain inside? Man, I want more memes of that cave का architecture वाला bit, dude. वो बहुत funny था.
Pasta.
Miss Bush.
Bloopers at the end of randomly not be like,
I don't
ये
know why
सारा
that
भाई
looks
था
like
ना।
Neville. I don't know why that looks like Neville so much.
now I'm thinking which other right to keep in podcast during
You know, this never used to happen on the couch because
Yeah.
the couch पे there is I would shun away all responsibility for coming up with facts. I would just be like, yeah, हाँ ठीक है, I'll know what to do with the fact. And एक iPad होता था. Now when it's
Yeah.
all in front of us, that's like okay.
Oh God.
It's just
And-
trying to forceful.
And तू couch पे अपना background भी change नहीं कर पाता था ना?
Yeah.
ये भी funny है.
Kautuk after boiling water for 5 minutes, chef.
Chef.
Safe.
You know, it captures my emotion. It's so true.
Yeah.
ये भेदभाव क्यों? सही बात है दोस्तों.
Varun,
that's
Sean
okay,
Connery
लेकिन नहीं, bro.
impression is less Sean Connery and more Sharad Pawar.
Hey, but RIP
Very
Sean
sad,
Connery.
Rest in peace.
Yeah,
Rest in
dude.
peace.
Rest in peace, Sean Connery. Dude.
करना
It's
एक
quite sad.
there we go.
I don't know the
Very good
ramifications,
speech.
but I genuinely miss Aadhar.
Aadhar.
If you miss Aadhar, then loading also Giridhar. My favorite character from Hollywood is undoubtedly young Neville from Malabar Cadillac trailer. Okay. When Aadhar speaks at the end.
अरे मिर्जापुर. This is in season 2.
That's the best meme. That's the best meme on other end facts. That's the best one.
ये भी
What is
funny.
this?
Where
About shark. Oh, sorry, Kautan. If you got hit by lightning.
बहुत होता है.
So,
Yeah.
Dude, but just one other thing about this. Just one other thing about this.
About shark. Oh, sorry, got to continue.
Me before. Oh, great.
cute.
Nice.
Can someone create a petition for Varun Aadhar Neville Kautuk to play stream Among Us?
ये नहीं होगा guys.
नहीं हम लोग ने खेल लिया है Among Us. मिल गया imposter. खत्म हो गया गेम.
Yeah.
It's been 84 years. Flux capacitor when you said the date for 2020. Okay, this is a so some memes are just random memes
Yeah.
on the thing.
Back to the future.
Other was badly missed, sadly missed.
I think this requires a part 9.
Yeah. Just remember.
बाबा के सब नाम बोल रहा है ना, फिर बाद में अपने सब ऑडियंस सुनेगी, फिर बोलेगी मम्मी ये कौन सी आपके टाइम की कोई पिक्चर थी क्या?
Don't talk about the West Wing and Breaking Bad or Draw 25. Wow. Oh wow, this has been put out there.
How did this come here?
Bawa put it in some episode apparently.
What?
Oh, no.
I did what?
Yeah, where else will they find it?
I don't know. I didn't put it.
Address, credit card.
No, I didn't put it in an episode.
Where else would they find it, Bawa? I'm sending it out to people.
I don't know.
शादी का ये सब locations है, dates है. अच्छा, but
हो गया, thankfully.
हो गया था ना. No, this is not me, guys. Guys, put it in the comments. कहाँ से मिला?
Bap. The podcast was going well, and I heard Akele Hum Akele Tum is a masterclass. Put a bandit where it hurts, Bawa.
Correct. Okay.
एक और बहुत funny था. One second, Bawa. One more was very funny about your.
Sorry. What were you saying, Kautuk? What were you saying?
I was saying,
sorry,
एक
Kautuk,
और, I hope we can find that one meme where it's like an iceberg, okay? And it's at the top part is Bawa telling a story, and the bigger bottom part is Bawa giving disclaimers before telling story. Hey guys, I just want to say, listen, it's not 1 second. I have to making a TikTok in a tuk-tuk. Great.
It's Kautuk making a TikTok.
Well done, alliteration, guys.
What?
ये क्या?
Oh.
अगर दोस्ती नहीं कहिए.
Okay, I remember. I know. चाहिए.
मैं गरम पानी expert हूँ.
Bawa done with editing. Weird other fact. R.I.P. Pain. I have an army. We have a Hulk. I have a pen. Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
Now we're coming to the good stuff.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
वो कौन है? ये किसने बना है? वो किसने बना है?
Go up, Bawa.
Hardik Modi.
Wow.
Modi.
Playboy launched new digital faces. Takandan.
Oh, Takandan is the ball slap.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, guys.
बहुत loud है भाई.
Very funny.
Wow.
ये कैसा मिलता है screenshots, bro?
Yeah, dude.
According to Gautam.
1 second. We had this. We don't get it. I didn't get it.
You didn't get this? Why?
क्या था?
So this was inventions that were started to help people, but then eventually did their own thing. So and my example for that was Viagra, which was started to help heart
people
patients,
stand.
and then
Stand,
no heart patients.
Oh.
Neville while debunking a paranormal happening. Yeah, it's a big brain time. So true. Bawa, this habit.
You're a weird guy, Bawa.
Yeah.
Do you have anything vegan here?
Oh.
What is vegan?
Like, no animal products.
No animal product. You go your life just eat leaf. Why you don't know how to enjoy life? No vegan product. Go away. Go to other restaurant. Go eat your lettuce there. How are people vegan? Vegan don't know how to enjoy life. Crispy pork is the best thing in the world, and they want to eat spinach.
Other thoughts?
It's like the Maharashtrian impression was spot on.
एक और पैंचो तो I was drunk. Can you tell me the whole recipe step by step?
It's complex.
Kautuk is the author of one WikiHow article. How to boil drinking water.
I have an idea. Polar bear say what? Garam pani expert. When price of Batmobile wasn't mentioned, other. Hey, पैसे नहीं लिखे.
पैसे.
I don't know why, but I get awkward when someone compliments me. Like, I don't know. You look cute today. Merry Christmas. Nice. Sad, but okay. Baba, when he corrects someone, Baba, when someone else corrects him. Bang on, bang on.
Hey, ये क्या है?
Oh, remember this, Neville Shah? Oh my God.
बहुत पुराना है. ओहो.
Are you even a comedian if you don't have a T-shirt with some? random-
ये actually बाप है. इस पे end होना चाहिए episode, bro, because ये correct है. Dildar Begum has done is pretty much
big
Atlas.
shout out to you.
Destroying it.
Dildar Begum, you can also tell us your real name and we would love to give you a shout out. Like we are already giving you a shout out, but even more shout out. And Mematic full subscription. No, वो ये
We'll
नहीं.
give you a
somebody else
Mematic
like it.
subscription immediately. Oh wow.
One
Yeah, the
second,
story about-
नीचे देखने तो दे.
Dude, killing it.
ये क्या कर रहे थे हम लोग?
अरे,
Hey,
who knows what episode?
No, this was,
Trying
I
to be
remember
like-
this. I remember this. This was, both of you were doing an impression of Tesla opening its doors.
Oh, I have never seen three people share a punchline.
Yeah.
Anesthesia Survivor 2020.
Great.
Dildar Begum is killing it, guys. All right, guys, thank you so much. That's it from this episode of the Internet Said So, where we were reviewing the TIS Reddit page where you guys have made great memes. Bhari props to Dildar Begum.
Yes.
Who has done some Hardik and everybody who's done everything. Thank you so much. Share your favorite memes. Keep sharing them on the Reddit page, and we will see you next
And we go
week.
through all of them.
Yeah.
Also
Yeah.
comment and share and like and share and subscribe and send it to your friends, family, or just on your social media feed. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next week.
अंदर फैक्ट बोलना.